Still use hot water to wash cars and clean glass? Take a look at this. Those annoying water spots. Now, check out our brand new window cleaning cart, specially designed to solve this problem. It replaces traditional roll membranes with a CTO pre-filter and 7.5 liters of polishing resin. This setup can produce pure water with 0 TDS. Using this 0 TDS water means no water spots will be left behind. It only needs inlet water pressure between 0.2 to 0.6 megapascal. The output flow rate can reach 10 to 15 liters per minute. The whole frame is made of metal with a powder-coated finish. The hoses use half-inch brass quick connectors, making it easy to change filter media and store the unit. Apart from consumables, the cart comes with a 5-year warranty. A TDS meter is also included, so customers can check the water quality at any time. When output TDS goes above 10 ppm, it means the resin inside the tank is about to expire. As you keep using it, if the TDS keeps rising and no longer meets your needs, it's time to replace the resin. Here are the detailed technical specifications of the window cleaning cart. If you are interested, please contact our sales team. Thanks for watching.